Okay, there's no fish down there. I'm gonna fire down my crazy weapon. See what happens. Check this out, D-Money. Have you ever heard of something so dumb? 8-inch Hellraiser. Just fire it down there, smash the bottom, create some disturbance. Down she goes. Well, there's a fish right there. Dang. Okay, I'll leave it on bottom. Maybe he'll come over and eat the minnow. That guy definitely followed it. Oh, jeez, there they are. Alright, is this going to scare them? No, they're still there. Well, alright, let's see if I can get my spoon down there. Yikes. Too many loud noises. Did they eat the minnow, chat? No. Oh, that guy's coming up. Oh, he ate it. Alright. Is he still on? Yep. Oh, he's little. Super little. That is not the quality we've been catching today. Holy chat, you should see the stuff this thing is spitting up. It is gross. Look at his mouth. Chock full of worms. Whoops, sorry pal. Did that hurt? No, he's good. Alright, I gotta put another minnow on. Oh, look at them all coming. Alright, I'm gonna get the spoon down there. We got a little flurry going here, chat. Do you think the Hellraiser did that? I don't know. Yeah, let's see if we can get them to come over. Yeah, I think they see what I'm doing here. Yeah, let's see if we get a big girl. Got that one. Yeah, I'm gonna, nice quality fish. I'm gonna let them go as we catch them. Nice fish. Hopefully that doesn't screw up the school. Another swarm. Yeah. Oh no, look at the school go. No, I screwed them up. Oh, I should have kept it. Oh no. Oh, chat. Come back, fish. Dang it. Yeah, I busted that one. That was me, all me.